today's project is going to be something for the tailgate of the truck. I wanted to do this. It's gotten really good reviews. It was not that expensive. I have the GMC MultiTailgate tailgate, which I absolutely love. I've had Ford tailgates and Ram, and this is by far the best. But this whole area right here, these blocks are designed for either lights, they make speakers for this area. I can never think of a reason why I would want speakers out here. I don't really tailgate or anything like that. So I saw someone do an install on lights back here, and I thought, oh, that would be helpful for me, especially when I'm camping, to light up the area at night, light up the step. And so I went ahead and purchased these lights. Let me show you. I found these on Amazon. It was a link from the YouTube video which I had seen on this install. These are the lights that fit in those areas, and they just pop in. So they come with all of the wire and some Ziplocs, some instructions. It's supposed to be a very simple job. Some people say even 5 minutes. I'm not that handy, so I think it'll be longer than 5 minutes, but I'll show you how it's done. It came with instructions, so I'm going to just follow these instructions. Again, there was a YouTube video posted on this, but these instructions look pretty easy to follow. First is obviously open the tailgate. Second, use a plastic pry tool to pry the old light's plastic panel out. So we're going to do that next. So I'm going to take out these, because this is where I'm going to mount them. Okay, well, they pop out pretty easily. There's a little bit of force required, but that came out pretty easily. They have these little tabs on them. That's the noisy here. I'm not breaking anything, but there's 8 tabs on there. Actually, it looks like I'm going to have to remove all of these to get to the wire harness, and that's the next step. I'm going to locate the original wire harness. That's the next step here. Let's remove these. I don't think this is the original wire harness right here. I actually think it's this one here. Can you see this red tab here? So I think this is the original wire harness. It is this one here. So you're gonna pop this red piece out. See, it moves. You can see, let's see. Moves forward and back. So you're gonna pop it out. And then, okay, I just want to show you, this was a pain in the you-know-what to get off. You can see here, it's just hanging loosely here. This is the tab, this red tab. You just pull, slide it back, and then underneath, let me see if I can show you. So right here, underneath that red pulley, is a little tab. You press it down, so you press it down, and then you pull it out. That's how to release this. If you just pull the red tab, it's not gonna release. You have to pull the red tab first and then push down on this black tab. So you're pushing down, and then it looks like this. The instructions say, insert the female plug removed from the truck into the step light male plug. Install the other male plug of step lights on where the factory plug was removed. So we got our lights here, we got our wiring, some zip ties. here's my wiring. So these two, it's pretty clear actually. These two are the same. They're marked purple, so they're going to go in to the back of the light here, and they're going to reach like this. And then this one is going to go into the truck connection, and this is going to go into where the truck connection attaches into the truck. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So we're just going to run these wires through first. This purple one is going to go here. This purple one is going to go here. This is going to go in here like this. This one is going to come through here. This one is going to plug in like this. This is going to go into the original truck. And this one will go into where the original truck connection was. These are going to pop in here. The video I watched said to use some silicone around here, but this is actually fits in there pretty snug, so I don't think I have to use any. It just has these clips up here and then these clips here. Gave these zip ties to zip tie this wiring together. I don't know that it's really needed, but I'll do it just to clean it up a little bit. Make sure nothing rattles. Although I wouldn't hear it if it did. Super easy install except for removing that clip. That was a pain to figure out. But now I've showed you, so you shouldn't have a problem with it. It should be easy for you. Yeah, I think I just need 2 of those. Snap these back into place. Alright, let's test it out. All complete. On the driver's side here on the GMC, your dome light is right here. I have a 2021 truck, so this is the button that turns on the cargo lamp. Not the dome light, the cargo lamp right up here. And it also turns on all the bed lights and then turns on these lights. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the install. I hope it helps you out. I think it's a pretty cool mod. Very, very simple to do. I think it's well worth the money. Time will tell. But this will be nice for me when I'm at my campsite, when I am connecting in the dark, if I am loading the truck at night. It's perfect. I'm quite happy and quite pleased with it. Do me a favor, and if you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out, helps my channel grow. Be sure to watch this next video on some of the modifications that I've put on my 2021 GMC. I think you'll find them interesting. Share it with someone you think might be interested in a modification like this or trucks in general. But anyway, I appreciate you being here. Until I see you in the next video, take care.